Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix ban error -102. So it's a connection error. So the first thing you can try is restarting your PC, obviously, but if that doesn't help, the next thing you can do is uninstall Vanguard. To do that, you go to search, type in uninstall, or type in add or remove programs. It will open here. And in the search app, type in Vanguard. Once you're in here, click on three dots and then click uninstall. And it will ask you to uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, you have to reinstall it. If that doesn't help, you can also reinstall your game fully, and maybe that helps. And now, even if that doesn't help, the thing you can do is get Revo uninstaller, which removes all the logs and stuff from applications that are installed on your PC. So you can get Revo uninstaller from the web. It's free, and once you get it, let it load all the apps, and then you type in here Vanguard. And it will tell you untick this, make a system restore point, continue. And then it will ask you to delete it. And then here, you want to set it to advanced. It will scan every registry and everything from the Vanguard that it has to offer. As you can see, all the backlogs and everything, and it will delete all of it. So then you can as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff left, 28, and then you just select all and then delete, and it will delete all of them. There will be no traces of Vanguard in the background. And once you delete it, you can relaunch the right client and let it re-download the Valorant, the Vanguard. Once you reinstalled it, the next thing you can do is go to search and type in run. Once you're in run, type in this services.msc. Once you type that, open it, and it will open a service window. Once in here, click somewhere here once, and then press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Once you found it, double click on it, and this will say manual. You have to set it to automatic, not the automatic delayed start, just automatic. Once you set it, click start and then apply. Okay. Close this and then restart your PC once again, and your Valorant should work properly. If that doesn't even help, then the last thing you can do is send a ticket to Riot support, and they should be able to help you in other ways that this didn't help. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Hopefully this helped. Comment down below. Bye bye.